Alright, I think I got that. Hang on.
Yeah, just throw all that in the boat. What we got here?
Nothing on the first. Whoa!
There we go, right there. First fish of the day.
Got a good one. Get the net. That's gonna be good. Yeah. Be ready. Be ready. There he is.
He's a little one. Lift him in. There's one on the bottom. One on the bottom. Watch the hook.
Okay, that's the one I'm killing.
Got it.
Oh yeah. Told you, baby.
Oh.
Brandon and Brad today. Brandon and Brad.
All right.
She's good looking.
There you go.
Down there.
Oh, he got her down in the bottom.
Yeah.
All right, let me open that for you.
Hang on.
That's all right, it'll fall off, we'll find it.
Oh man, that's
There's one.
beautiful, baby. Hey, beautiful stuff. I could tell you that was on a move. I could tell he was moving south. He was headed out. You want to be careful. Get one of them things in your hand.
Yeah, the fins are worse than the
You know
hooks.
it. You know it. Well, we're gonna roll, Mr. Brandon.
Feel any tugs?
Sure.
Got bait? And got bait. Just drop her right there.
Good deal. Alright.
Hold up.
Yeah, he's on there. Alright, I gotta get just the upper hand on him here.
Well,
Turn him around.
easy.
Kill your motor.
Well, my motor's dead.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's in neutral.
I'm just taking it slow. I'm not taking it fast.
Maybe a gar pulling like
Yeah,
that.
it is. It's big. Hang tight. Just take it slow, Brandon. It's big.
About yanked it out of your hand, didn't
Oh,
it?
it did. It did yank it out of my hand. Don't be an alligator.
Oh, big.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Big blue cat. Just don't get my camera. All right. Nice one. That's the best one this year.
Yes,
so far.
sir, man. We've earned it. On carp.
Oh, yeah. They like that carp, don't they?
Good
Woo.
God. Let me send a picture right now.
I'll send one to Setharoo.
I'd say that was probably going about 16, 17 pounds, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I don't have a scale on me.
We'll have to weigh him out later.
Oh, hey, nice big old blue cat.
Hey, buddy.
He about yanked the thing out of your hand, didn't he?
Sure did. You were hungry, huh? I ain't got time to talk to you.
All right.
This is a good day. B&B's on fire.
Now, he's pretty big. You want to put him back or you want to keep
We're
him?
gonna keep it today.
All righty.
What do you think?
Well, we'll see how many more we catch,
Yeah.
and he'll be fine till the end.
Yeah. I think
Here, use just some pliers.
this is actually working. I just can't get a good grip on it. It's got that right in that side of that.
Oh
where
yeah,
it's
and
in
it's
that
fat.
skin.
Yeah. Here, see if you can get a hold of it with down here on the front.
Yep, you got it. All right, this one's gonna have to.
He was wrapped up in this one too, wasn't
Well, yeah, I guess he was, wasn't
he? Yeah.
he? Yeah, we gotta take him home. He's just too good to not take on. God.
Oh,
We got to. Boy, that was moving out. You doing anything? Yeah.
little one. Pull him on in.
We will take him.
That thing right there, I tell you what, that thing's, if you get just don't get the string with it.
Yeah, I don't want to.
It'll bugger your string.
I don't want to get the bait either.
There we go.
Yeah, we got bait on that sucker.
Yep.
We just want to put it out here, Brandon.
Yeah. Just put it right out here. We'll
We caught one this deep. We might as well leave it out here this deep.
yeah. Well, I think it probably got pulled out here, but
Yeah, but I mean, what not? We'll try it. It's going under. I'm sorry.
that's all right.
I forgot.
Do it like this.
Forgot for a second. Rain freeze. What happened?
That'll work.
Oh,
Just barely.
Come on, Larry.
Hold it. Do I need a net?
Can't tell yet. I'm looking for the flash.
Keep it coming.
I don't think. Yeah,
Oh, yeah, he's
maybe.
got one. Little one. Pull
Little
him
one?
in.
Yeah. Not another one on the backside?
I don't see him one yet. Nope.
Nope. All right.
Just a little one. He was jerking on it, wasn't he?
Yeah, just a little bitty pull. Well, I can't say little.
That's only 50. Yeah, that's not a bad one. See if there's another one.
There might be another one.
Yep, there's another one.
Okay, coming on.
Well, no, bring him in.
I am. I'm coming.
Oh, nope, that's not another one. That's just the bait.
Bait? All right.
Big bait.
Yeah, maybe that's the perfect size.
Let me try to get this thing.
Right there. He come off so easy.
Lucky
Yeah.
we got him. Out here on Lake Texoma with Brad Slimp, and we've been running some jug lines and having some pretty good luck today. I just killed the motor. I'll kill it to save battery.
Yeah.
Got it.
No. I don't think so.
Wait a second. Got all kinds of stuff going on.
Oh, well, I got going too fast.
Nothing?
I don't think so. I haven't felt anything. Let's move. Maybe.
Ah, he's running from the boat.
Yep,
That's a
there
little
we
one.
go.
Bring him on in
There we go.
here. Or maybe one on the bottom. So we've been catching them on carp today.
The perfect size for eating. Really?
He's like, huh.
You taking me home? Yes, we are, sunshine. Got your mama right there. Hate to have to give this back. It's so good to us today.
I know it. Oh, we still got a few more.
Oh, yeah.
There's one there. And then we still have to go get that one right. There's the one right yonder.
Yep.
There's got to be some more because we've only got 7 in the boat, and we've got 17 out.
Well,
We'll find them.
yeah, that means we might have another big fish. Really? You know it?
We'll do what?
We might have another big fish on. this one on film?
Oh yeah, it's filming.
All right. I need your pliers.
Circle hook.
Talk to me.
He's like, don't take me home.
We are. We are, my friend. We made it 20 fish before time it's done.
Maybe. We got
I'm sure.
2 or 3 more. There's that one we missed right there.
Where?
See it right yonder.
Is it that low to the water that I'm not seeing it?
It's right there.
Okay, yeah. Well, I'm wondering, do we have any more up there? Why?
I don't know. We'll have to. We got 8 in the boat now, so we got another 7 to go, or 9 to go.
We're gonna have to go up and look because remember we started right on the other side of those green trees.
No, we went around the point, came right here.
Did we?
Yeah, but I think in this right here, see how this one's a funny shaped?
Yeah.
I put out this one and that little piece of PVC,
Okay.
and that was my first 2. But there's still a couple missing that may be out in deep water. We'll find them.
Yeah.
We'll go get this one and
Yeah, we'll go from there. Pick them up as we go, and then we get done. We'll know how many we got to go looking for.
that's it.
I'm gonna wish we had that. I had a long stringer. I stopped putting it in my pack. I got one. I'm on a stringer today. Hey, we'll take pictures that while we get back to the truck. Well, maybe when we get back to the house. All right.
This one right here, I bet it's got one.
Yeah, he's got that tilt on him.
It's out in deep water, so.
Go left a little bit.
Oh, stretch, you got it.
Oh.
Yeah, it looks like it's got one.
Yeah, we do. Can't tell how big yet.
Usually when they're running away from the boat like that, not
Yeah.
just hanging straight down, there's fish on
Yeah,
them.
they're trying to stay away from you too. Yeah, exactly. But you don't feel that big. We got one hook here or something.
Watch that. Oh,
Nope.
we don't have one.
Not done, sure.
Okay,
Oh, sorry.
roll this up on the
Sorry.
can.
Sorry. I could have swore I felt the jerk on there.
Well, it looked like the way it was acting, it would have had.
Well, I am not complaining one bit.
No, we're doing all right.
Buddy, we're doing good.
You know, when we first moved down here, Texoma, we every time we came out here, we did this.
Yeah.
And over the last few years, which we haven't had the water, over the last few years, we struggled a little bit.
Yeah.
This year with all this water, it's helped it. Now, you can,
No doubt about it. These rains we catch up there.
well, that's what I told Seth. I said, right now, Seth, I said, I hate not to
Not to go
catfishing because the water's up. Bass fishing can wait.
Today.
Well,
All right. You go, my friend. I don't see anything out there.
I don't either. We won't know until we count them all.
Nope.
Those fill up.
Nothing so far. Slow so you get caught up.
Oh yeah.
I don't feel nothing.
Nope, not on the top roof. Nope, nothing. This is just floated out here. Some of these, I really need about 70 feet on, 60 feet or so on these,
Yeah.
because a lot of this water, especially right now with the water up, it's pretty deep, and I've got about 45 foot on them all.
Yeah, when you have an extra 30 foot on, 20 foot.
Well, and when they take off, if they grab one in shallow water and take off the deep water, they'll hold it under. You can't find it.
No, it's over with. It's over with. All right, where
got 5 more.
Okay. 5 more it is. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, take a peek.
Hadn't been out very long.
That one, big. Maybe.
Another little one. Pull him on in. 2 of them. Got him.
All right. We just put that back out, Bubba.
Yeah, we just doubled up. That's 2 double ups today.
That's awesome.
Oh boy, he swallowed that one.
Yeah, this one's got it up his eye.
Got the bait back.
Yes, sir. That's awesome. Man, that has been a ticket today on that rib meat too. We took after it. The rib in there and he still ate it. Looked like a fish, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, that's that one I was like, well, I'm gonna use it.
Didn't think about that, but it did kind of look like a fish.
It definitely smelled like one. Well, that was a double.
Yeah. Well,
And that hadn't been out 30 minutes.
it's there.
Well, we got 2 more. I see one right there, but I don't see the other one.
And we will once I think we get up there like you said. If not,
We'll make a circle.
we'll have to make a circle. I haven't seen the high air of it.
And it might be out in deeper water,
Could be.
which I hope it is, and I hope we find it. It's got a monster on it.
Yeah.
Get the slime off. Good deal.
We're gonna play around at the dock though. We're gonna have you back in, zippity doo dah, and out the gate we go.
Yeah.
No talking, no nothing. How's y'all doing? Not good.